What's up, guys? We have a cool video for y'all today. We are going to Berry Hill Bridge, aka Satan's Bridge. It is an extremely haunted place. We're going during the daytime, like we did with the Devil's Tramping Ground. If y'all want to see us go at night, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below. But I'm going to give y'all a quick little background. I pulled up the background right here of the bridge so you know what it's all about. Alright guys, so I'm going to read this to you. This is straight off of Greensboro.com's website. It says, there's lots of legends with Berry Hill Bridge, including satanic practices, haunted mansions, and a woman that walks the railroad tracks nearby. Let's see, right here. It is a historical marker recognized along US 58, west of Danville, Virginia. The original house, 5 miles south of the marker, dates back to 1745. Although expansions are evident, trees now modestly veil the house, which served as a hospital to General Nathaniel Greene's army in the Revolutionary War. After the Battle of Guilford Courthouse, Greene's troops camped at Berry Hill Bridge and at other branches of the hospital and neighboring plantations in the area. There is widespread speculation about satanic practices and cult meetings that take place under the bridge. Then there's the story of the woman who walks the tracks just 100 yards from Berry Hill Bridge. Here's how the legend goes. Around the time of the Great Depression, there was an old woman who lived about a quarter mile from the tracks. One night as she was walking up the railroad tracks towards Draper, she was hit by the Norfolk Southern train. 2 days later, a group of teenagers stumbled across her headless body and smashed lantern. There were reports of seeing her walking on the train tracks at nighttime. You'll see fog-filled light, moaning coming from the train tracks. There are also several reports of old slave quarters around the area, and several slaves were hung off the bridge, as well as KKK meetings took place on this bridge and under this bridge. So, this place is supposed to be extremely haunted. We're just waiting on my sister to come now, and we will be heading over there to go check it out during the daytime. If y'all want to see it at nighttime, like I said, hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Yeah, we're going to get out and go look at it.
It smelled like something dead was in the middle of that.
That's because there was a dead possum back there.
I have spray paint. We should bring it next time. We got spray paint at the house too. Wow. There's so many water.
That's called a stick.
No, there's something making the water. This I haven't seen. That's kind of creepy. Whoops. Yeah, probably double.
Yeah, guys, we just walked across Satan's Bridge. This is Satan's Bridge, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if y'all want to see us go underneath the bridge, make sure to hit that like button. If y'all want to see me come back at night, make sure to hit that like button and comment night. Well, there's a big old dick. And last but not least, if y'all want to see me fish here at Satan's Bridge, make sure to hit that like button and comment fish. And we'll actually come fishing out here at Satan's Bridge, here in Danville, Virginia. Well, guys, I'm going to make a quick TikTok. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. We'll see y'all soon. Peace.